Alright, good morning. Actually, it's 3 a.m. right now, 3:30 to be exact. This is our first long drive with our car. We're going home to Leyte, so yeah, this is the first part. Like, we're about to depart now. I'm about to drive. Yeah. Hi, okay, so we've been driving for 2.5 hours. We're now in Quezon and the sun is about to rise. Yeah. Just a little update.
Turn right along the bypass road.
Hi everyone. Okay, so we are almost 4 hours driving in. Nandito tayo ngayon sa harap. Yan yung zigzag road, or I think people like to call it yung bituang manok. Yan, so akyatin natin ito ngayon. Hi everyone, another update. So dito na kami sa Bicol. We're driving for 8 hours. Although may mga stopover naman kami. Actually meron kaming encounter kanina na tornilyo yung gulong. So nagpa-vulcanize pa kami somewhere sa Quezon. Pero yeah, we're now in Camsur. 8 hours na since we started driving. Yun, yun lang, little update. Thanks. I think nasa Camarines Sur pa rin tayo. I think sinasalubong na natin yung bagyong Basang ba yung name? So yung bagyo, hindi naman masyadong malakas yung ulan, pero okay naman so far. So riding smooth na ulit. Yun. Ngayon, kami nakapag-record kanina. Pero katapos lang namin magpagas kasi medyo 1/4 tank na lang kami kanina. Medyo wala nang ulan, then nasa Albay na rin kami. I think walang gig. So, ayun, update ulit mamaya. Ewan ko kung makikita namin yung mayon kasi sobrang maulan. But we'll see. Dito na tayo sa may Daraga. Actually yan, dito yata sa side ko yung mayon. Kaso since very cloudy, hindi siya kita. So, yeah. Pero yung medyo foothills, medyo kita naman. Pero like the whole volcano, hindi siya ganun mag-visible. Sayang. On the way na kami to Sorsogon City, although I'm not sure kung sa Albay ba kami, pero I think so. Ayun lang, medyo malakas na yung ulan. Hindi naman zero visibility, pero medyo malakas na yung ulan. I think ito na talaga. Ewan ko kung may signal, warning signal ba dito sa Bicol area, pero feel nga na may bagyo kasi sobrang cloudy, mas malakas yung ulan. Yun, on the road pa rin kami, and yeah, in a few minutes, actually almost about an hour, hopefully nasa Sorsogon City na kami, and that will be our stopover bago namin i-continue yung next leg ng trip namin tomorrow. Alright, nag-drive-thru kami ng Jollibee kasi dinner na kami, and then we'll find a place to stay. So, total drive hours namin, that's 14 hours, 19 minutes. Average 15 kilometers per liter and around 518 kilometers yung biniyahan namin mula Cavite. So, yun, kain muna siguro kami, then we'll find a place to stay and yun, sleep to have a rest. Sobrang habang biyahe. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa may Baywalk, Sorsogon Baywalk. Madilim pero ano na yan, Sorsogon Bay siguro. Ayan, ito siya, yung mga food park, yung mga food stalls. Lakad-lakad lang muna para mas stretch yung legs kasi tagal lang nakaupo.